Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Chime Credit Builder. Review my usage experience. Chime Credit Builder Review My Usage Experience offers a credit building service designed for individuals with limited or no credit history. Its main purpose is to help users establish positive credit scores by allowing them to build a secured credit card account directly through Chime. Key features likely include secured credit card functionality, regular reporting to credit bureaus, and potentially, access to credit score monitoring tools. Their website provides details on the program's specifics. It positions itself as a simple and accessible way to build credit, highlighting its ease of use and potentially emphasizing the absence of hidden fees or annual membership costs. The process seems straightforward, focusing on responsible credit use to positively impact your credit score. Availability is likely limited to Chime's existing customer base, but you can check their website for eligibility criteria. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Chime Credit Builder. Review my usage experience. Getting started was a breeze. I already had a Chime account, so signing up for the Credit Builder was just a few clicks within the app. The interface was clean and intuitive. I easily understood how to use the virtual credit card and track my spending. I appreciated the clear transaction history showing my payments and credit utilization. Performance-wise, everything worked smoothly, the app always loaded quickly, and I never encountered any glitches. I had a quick question about reporting to the credit bureaus, and their support team responded within 2 days via email, which was fantastic. I was really impressed by how straightforward the entire process was. The standout feature for me was definitely the ease of making payments directly from my Chime checking account. One minor drawback was the relatively low credit limit at the beginning, but it increased gradually as I made timely payments. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Chime's Credit Builder. It's a great tool for anyone looking to establish or improve their credit score without any complex procedures or hidden fees. That's my overview of Chime Credit Builder. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.